Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by deciding the core moment you want to tell and why it matters. Pick a 1-3-hour train stretch so scenes feel complete. Once decided, gather essentials. Phone with extra storage, portable charger, a small tripod or grip, and a notebook for quick notes. Make sure to test camera settings, exposure, and stabilization while still at the platform. That saves time. Then board early, secure a window seat, and mark 2-3 potential shot locations to capture during the ride. You now execute the middle work. Collect a variety of shots to tell the arc of the ride. Start with 10-20-second B-roll clips, window landscapes, platform signs, coffee cups, using slow pans and 3-4 distinct angles to keep visual interest. Once done, capture ambient audio for 30-60 seconds to layer under cuts, then record a 15-20-second selfie narration explaining the scene. Make sure to take short voice notes after key moments. They become the emotional glue during editing. You finish by assembling clips into a tight story. Open with a striking hook, follow with development shots, and close with a clear resolution. Once assembled, trim to rhythm, use 0. 5 1-second cuts for pacing, layer ambient audio under the visuals, and add short captions so people can watch muted. Make sure to apply one consistent color filter and include a frame with the trip name or location. If playback glitches, troubleshoot by re-exporting at 1080p, reducing bitrate, and testing on another device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.